What if I told you financial freedom is not about earning lakhs every month, but about following a simple blueprint that anyone can use? Most people work their whole life, but never become free. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step blueprint that can change your financial future forever. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means one simple thing. Your money works for you, so you don't have to work for money. It's when your passive income is more than your expenses. Example: if your monthly expenses are $50,000 and your investments generate $60,000, you are financially free. Control your money budgeting. Before earning more, you must control what you already have. Most people don't become poor because they earn less. They become poor because they don't track their money. Simple rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investments. For example, Tom earns $40,000 per month, but spends $42,000 using credit cards. He thinks, I need to earn more. Reality: he needs to control spending first. Step 2. Increase your income. Saving alone won't make you rich. You must grow your income. Ways to increase income: learn high-income skills. Start a side hustle. Freelancing online business. Example: Dan works a 9-to-5 job earning $30,000. She starts freelancing on weekends and earns $10,000 extra. Now she invests that extra income. That's how wealth starts. Step 3. Invest, don't just save. Saving protects money. Investing grows money. Your goal is to make money multiply. Options are mutual funds, stocks, real estate, index funds. Example: if you invest $5,000 per month at 12% return, in 20 years it becomes more than 50 lakhs. That's the power of compounding. Build multiple income streams. Rich people don't depend on one income. They create multiple sources. Salary investments, rental income, business income. Example: Joan has job income $50,000, investments $10,000, side business $15,000. Even if one fails, she is still safe. Be patient and consistent. Financial freedom is not quick. It's a game of consistency. Small actions daily is equal to big results over time. Now here's another story. Two friends start investing. One invests $3,000 per month. Other waits for perfect time. After 10 years, first friend builds wealth, while the second friend is still waiting. Common mistakes to avoid: lifestyle inflation, earning more, spending more, no emergency fund, not investing early, depending on one income. Now here is the conclusion. Financial freedom is not a dream. It's a system. Control money. Increase income. Invest consistently. Build multiple streams. Stay patient. Follow this blueprint, and one day money will stop being your problem. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more powerful financial content, and comment below. I'm starting my journey today.